Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add Pinterest button with your Joomla image, and it is very important that whenever you work with any Joomla site you need sometimes a Pinterest button or any other Joomla button. But if you want to sure that only if you want Pinterest button, then you can use this extension, and you will get this extension here, extension product a Joomla Pinterest button on. So let's see exactly where it is. I have already put it here. If you check this one is here, so I just go here and extensions, then go for install, upload package, and then just go for see Pinterest button. And after install it, like I will install it. Here you see I just already, it shows that it is already installed. I have already installed it, so I just go plugins, then I just go for content a Pinterest button, and here are several options. First is no count. If you don't want to see how many Pinterest is shared, you don't have to put that. If you want to horizontal and display where before content or after content, you can put before content or after content. Understand before content and after content. This on after content, before content. You can check it here. I'll suggest it used to before content. Then you can, another option is exclude article IDs. As you know, article, how can you get your article IDs? Like if you don't wish to home page, don't wish to see on home page, you just display on home page, just make it no. If you don't wish to home page, if you display on home page, just choose yes. And there is a style CSS. You can change this button position from here, left, right, other section. If you need extra changes, you can take my paid support for it. But you can easily do it. You don't need paid support from me. You just ask me, I will do. I will help you. I just say, just click save, and don't forget to enable it. And that's all. And you will get it, and here you see, and you will get it here, pin it. And if you check is horizontal, sorry, yes, this one, and you will get it here. And see, this is the pin it button. And now if you click on it, and it will directly go to your Pinterest button, Pinterest site, and you just log into your site. And if you check this, I can log in, and I can share it with my Pinterest. So this is how easy it is. And if you need any customization with this extension, you just let me know. I'll do it for you. With the next update, if you just buy it, this is a paid plugin, so you just have to buy it, and you just ask for support, and I will keep it updated from the next version it is coming through. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.